Have you ever wondered how life thrives in the freezing landscapes of the Arctic? The Arctic, a vast expanse of white and blue that stretches as far as the eye can see, is a world unto itself. It's a place where the sun can shine for 24 hours straight during the summer solstice, only to disappear completely during the winter months. A land where temperatures can plummet to 50 degrees below zero, and the ground is perpetually encased in a layer of ice and snow. Yet, this seemingly inhospitable landscape is teeming with life, a testament to the resilience of nature. Contrary to what one might expect, the Arctic is not a desolate wasteland. It's an intricate ecosystem, a symphony of life that continues to play despite the harshest of conditions. It's a place where the air, so crisp and clean, carries the faint echoes of life's tenacity. From the microscopic phytoplankton that bloom under the ice to the majestic polar bears prowling the icy plains, the Arctic is a testament to the wonders of evolution and adaptation. The Arctic's extreme temperatures and periods of prolonged darkness and light have shaped a landscape and an ecosystem like no other on Earth. The ice-covered landscape, while seemingly barren, is a canvas on which nature paints its most resilient portraits. It's a place where the very air you breathe is a testament to the perseverance of life. The Arctic, with its stark beauty and extreme conditions, is a world that continues to captivate and intrigue. It's an environment that forces its inhabitants to adapt or perish, and in doing so, reveals the true extent of life's tenacity and ingenuity. It's a place where the impossible becomes possible, and life thrives against all odds. The Arctic, with its relentless cold and months of darkness, might seem inhospitable to life. But the truth is far more fascinating. For in this icy wilderness, life not only survives but thrives in ways that continue to astonish scientists. This is the Arctic, a frozen wonderland where life's resilience is displayed in its most extreme form. In the Arctic's inhospitable environment, life not only survives, but thrives in ways that continue to astonish scientists. How does life adapt to the extreme conditions of the Arctic? The Arctic, a seemingly inhospitable frozen tundra, is home to a myriad of species that have developed remarkable adaptations to not only survive, but thrive in this harsh environment. Let's delve into the clever ways these Arctic inhabitants have evolved to navigate the cold, the ice, and the scarcity of resources. One of the Arctic's most iconic residents, the polar bear, is a master of survival in this icy wilderness. Its thick layer of blubber and dense water-repellent fur provide insulation against the biting cold, while the white color helps it blend into the snowy backdrop, a perfect camouflage for hunting. More fascinatingly, beneath that white fur, a polar bear's skin is black, absorbing and retaining heat from the sun's rays, further helping it stay warm. Then there's the Arctic fox, another ingenious inhabitant. During the summer, it sports a brown or gray coat that blends in with the tundra's rocks and plants. But as winter sets in, the fox's fur transforms into a brilliant white, offering camouflage against the snow. It's like having a wardrobe that adjusts to the seasons. Lastly, let's talk about the narwhal, a creature so unique it seems like it jumps straight out of a fantasy novel. This whale species is famous for its long, spiraled tusk, which is actually an elongated tooth. While it's not entirely clear how narwhals use their tusks, one theory suggests they might use them to break through the ice for breathing holes. These are just a few examples of the ingenious ways Arctic species have adapted to their environment. It's a testament to the power of evolution and the resilience of life. Each species, each individual even, is a marvel of adaptation, showcasing the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on our planet. These adaptations are not just about survival, they are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of life in the Arctic. What makes the Arctic a place of such mystical beauty? As we delve deeper into the Arctic's wonders, we encounter phenomena that seem to belong to a different world. One such spectacle is the aurora borealis, more commonly known as the Northern Lights. These dancing curtains of light paint the Arctic skies in vibrant hues of green, purple, and red. But what causes this magical light show? Well, it's all down to the sun. Solar winds carrying charged particles collide with the Earth's magnetic field. As these particles interact with the gases in our atmosphere, they create this enchanting spectacle of light. But the Arctic's mystical charm doesn't end there. Imagine a day that lasts for more than 24 hours. This is what we call the midnight sun, a phenomenon where the sun remains visible even at midnight, gracing the Arctic with continuous daylight for up to 6 months. This happens because during the summer, the Earth's axial tilt causes the North Pole to face the sun directly. So the sun doesn't set below the horizon, giving us the illusion of an endless day. On the flip side, the Arctic also experiences the polar night. This is a period when the sun doesn't rise above the horizon, plunging the region into continuous darkness for up to 2 months. This happens during the winter months when the North Pole is tilted away from the sun. But even in this seemingly eternal darkness, the Arctic doesn't lose its charm. The moon and stars shine brighter, and the northern lights become even more spectacular. So, whether it's the mesmerizing dance of the northern lights, the endless daylight of the midnight sun, or the profound darkness of the polar night, each phenomenon has its own unique charm. They are not just natural occurrences, but are integral parts of the Arctic's identity. Their presence shapes the lives of those who inhabit this region and influences the Arctic's unique ecosystem. These phenomena add to the Arctic's allure, making it a place of breathtaking beauty and mystery. Do you know how crucial the Arctic's role is in our global climate system? Let's delve into the captivating science behind this. The Arctic, often pictured as a vast frozen white landscape, plays a key role in the Earth's temperature regulation through a phenomenon known as the albedo effect. Albedo simply refers to the reflectivity of a surface. Surfaces with high albedo, like the Arctic ice, reflect a large portion of the sun's rays back into space, helping to keep our planet cool. Now imagine the Arctic without its reflective ice cover. Darker surfaces, such as the ocean, absorb more sunlight, thereby heating up and contributing to global warming. This is what's happening now. The Arctic is warming twice as fast as the rest of the world, leading to a decrease in sea ice and a subsequent increase in heat absorption. But the story doesn't end there. The melting of the Arctic ice doesn't just affect the local environment. It has far-reaching effects on the global climate system. The increased heat absorption in the Arctic can alter weather patterns around the world, leading to more extreme weather events. Rising sea levels, intensified storms, prolonged droughts. These are all potential consequences of a warming Arctic. The Arctic also serves as a massive storage unit for carbon. The region's permafrost holds twice as much carbon as the atmosphere. As the Arctic warms, this permafrost thaws, releasing the stored carbon into the atmosphere and further accelerating climate change. In essence, the Arctic is like the Earth's air conditioner and storage unit, working tirelessly to keep our planet cool and store massive amounts of carbon. But as the Arctic warms, this system is being disrupted, with potentially catastrophic consequences for our planet. Therefore, it's essential that we understand and acknowledge the Arctic's crucial role in our global climate system. Protecting this remote, icy wilderness isn't just about preserving its unique biodiversity. It's about ensuring the survival of our planet as we know it. The Arctic is not just a remote, frozen wilderness, it's a vital component of our planet's health. In the past 10 minutes, we've journeyed through the Arctic's frozen landscapes, met its ingenious inhabitants, marveled at its mystical phenomena, and understood its crucial role in our global climate. Let's take a moment to reminisce about the incredible journey we've been on. We started in the Arctic's frozen wonderland, a place where temperatures can plummet to minus 50 degrees Celsius, yet life still finds a way. We learned about the ice structures that form from the freezing seawater, creating a stark and beautiful landscape that stretches as far as the eye can see. From there, we met the Arctic's ingenious inhabitants. Despite the harsh conditions, these creatures have adapted in remarkable ways. Remember the Arctic fox, with its fluffy white fur that not only provides camouflage, but also insulation in the freezing temperatures? Or the narwhal, often referred to as the unicorn of the sea, with its long spiral tusk that can reach up to 3 meters in length? We also marveled at the Arctic's mystical phenomena. We learned about the northern lights, a natural light display that illuminates the Arctic sky in an array of dazzling colors. Then there's the midnight sun, a phenomenon where the sun remains visible at the local midnight, offering a surreal experience unlike any other. Finally, we understood the Arctic's crucial role in our global climate. It acts as a massive icy mirror, reflecting sunlight back into space and helping to regulate the Earth's temperature. As the Arctic ice melts due to climate change, it could dramatically alter our planet's climate patterns, affecting us all. The Arctic, with its harsh conditions and extraordinary adaptations, truly is a testament to the remarkable resilience and beauty of life on our planet. It's a world that's both alien and familiar, a place that's constantly changing, yet remains timeless in its majesty and mystery. The Arctic reminds us of the power of nature, the importance of preservation, and the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. The Arctic, with its harsh conditions and extraordinary adaptations, truly is a testament to the remarkable resilience and beauty of life on our planet.